Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. All right, got that out of the way. Now, I'm coming to you all just to do a quick preview on what you all will have coming to you as far as another how to make video. Now, this earring that I am going to show y'all is called Infinite Circles. And I'm going to show you all what we will be making. This is it right here, and it's called Infinite Circles. And I'm going to tell you what you will need in order to make these earrings. You're going to need some aluminum wire, and you're also going to need some resin acrylic beads. Okay, this bead is about 10 millimeter. The aluminum wire is 12 gauge aluminum wire. So I just wanted to come to you all really quick to show you what will be next in the how to make. Okay, to get y'all sauces going a little bit. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick preview on to let you all know what's coming soon. But I don't know if this is going to be the next video. It may be something else coming up. I'm not really sure. But anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And if you are new to this here platform, please subscribe. I want to thank all my new supporters and all my super supporters, those of you who have been in here and hung in here with me. So if you are new, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank you all for taking that time out to watch and listen. Have a wonderful and awesome day, and be looking out for this here how to make video. As always, peace and blessings until the next one. See ya.